And that's reading hour for the night.
You know what? I'm glad we did this. It's a lot of fun.
Me too. Cheers.
Oh, cheers. Speaking of fun, you know what I saw on Facebook? That you can't write something and say something differently at the same time.
Kind of like the whole...
Pat the head, rub the stomach, yeah.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, try it.
What should I write and what should I say?
Why don't you write banana, but say dog?
Banana dog. Sure. Dog.
Let's see what you wrote. See?
No way.
Isn't that funny?
Dog.
Look what you wrote.
What the fuck?
I told you.
I got this. Dog! See? I did it!
You wrote dog.
No. I could have...
Isn't that funny how brains work? It's crazy. Well, I gotta hop in the shower and get ready for bed, but you have a good night, okay?
Dog. Dog. No. 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 Dog. No.
Dude, what are you doing? It's 7 a.m.
No. Dog. No.
David.
Dog.
David.
No. Dog. No.
Dude, that's not a thing. I made it up.
What do you mean you made it up?
I was joking with you. It's not impossible. You can write something and say something different.
This is like a placebo effect thing?
Like a placebo effect thing. Yeah.
Dog.
Good job.
Placebo. Have a good night, man.